Hey everyone, welcome back. If you cannot log in into the SHEIN app first, you're going to go ahead and double check your email or phone number password. Then make sure you're using the correct login method that you used during. Next, what you're going to do is tap the forgot password if you're unsure about your password and reset it. Disable any VPN or ad blocker that may interface with login. If the login error continues, wait a few minutes and try again, as the server may be busy. Also, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues, since while logging in, network is very important. If you cannot do that, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so you won't have trouble logging in. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.